This is the Joint Entrance Mains Physics Question Paper 2019. I think you are the idea of this topic in this question. So, this is the mobility of electrons in a semiconductor is divided as the ratio of drift velocity to the applied electric field. So, for an n-type semiconductor, the density of electron is given and the mobility is given. So, we can write the current density. We can write the current density. The current density J equals to N into E into Vd. This V is the velocity of electron. This V is the velocity of electrons, and E is the electron denoted by E, and N is the number density of electrons. So this can be also written it as sigma into E. This sigma is the conductivity. And E is the electric field. Applied. So this can be written as the we have sigma is equals to Ne into Vd divided by E in the terms of number density of electrons and the velocity of electron. So this is Ne mu. Mu is the mobility. Of electrons. In the question this is given. In this question, for the semiconductor, ratio of the drift velocity and the applied electric field is the mobility. This is the drift velocity or velocity of electrons. This is the drift velocity or velocity of electrons. And E is the electric field. So the ratio of Vd and E is mu. Here mu is given. So we can write the resistivity is inversely proportional to the conductivity. Is 1 by sigma is equals to 1 by Ne mu. So this is the number density is also given 1 by 10 to the power 19. This is the electron charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and this mu is 1.6 is given. So the resistivity rho is equals to, if we calculate this is 0.4 ohm into meter. This is 0.4 ohm into meter. This is the correct option for the resistivity. This is 0.4 ohm into meter. So if you have any query, please comment in the comment section and WhatsApp us in this number. Number is 9836793076. This is our WhatsApp number. Please WhatsApp us for any query. So that's all for today.